Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, that is decimal fraction. Okay, so first let's understand the concept what is decimal fraction. Then the fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 and n, okay, is called decimal fraction. See, here it is written a decimal whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 or any other 10 times multiples of 10. Here you have to find the 10 times multiples. Okay, means suppose if I write here 4 upon 10. Yes, you can see the denominator is 10. Then this is a decimal fraction. 4 upon 100 is also a decimal fraction. 4 upon 1000. 4 upon 10,000. Okay, these are the 10 times multiples of 10. Okay, then this is called a decimal fraction. Now this is written in the form of numerator and denominator. Now all of you are aware of this is the numerator, the upper one is called the numerator and this is the denominator. Okay, decimal fraction can be written as numerator and denominator form. Okay, now what is the decimal point? The next concept is decimal point. Then if you will simply put a dot, this dot is known as decimal point. Means if I write here 4.9, suppose 4.9, then 4.9 we will read it as 4.9. okay, 4.9 can be written as 4.9 can be written as 4 into 9 upon 10. Okay, 4 into 9 upon 10. Why 9 upon 10? Because here after decimal there is one digit. After decimal, how many digits are there? There is one digit. Then we will write 10. Okay, if I will write here 4.19, then this we will write as 4 into. Now after decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. Okay, then we will write 19 upon 100. Clear? If suppose I am writing here 5.28, 5.281, okay, 5.281, then this can be written as 5 into 281, 281 upon how many digits are there? After decimal you have to count it, that is 1, 2 and 3, then we will write here 1000. Clear? Take one more example, 12.2, 12.2, then 12.2 can be written as 12 into, you have to count after decimal point, how many digits? The after decimal there is one digit, that is 2, then 2 upon 10. Clear? And we will read it as 12.2 and this one we will read it as 5.281, 5.281, not 281. If you are reading a decimal number, then after decimal the digits are there, you will read it as separately, that is 281, not 281. Yeah. Now we will see the next one, our practice set, sorry, problem set. Now problem set 36. Now in this, write the following mixed fraction in the decimal form and read them aloud. Now what is a mixed fraction? That is 3, the first one, 3 upon 3 is to 9 upon 10. This is a mixed number fraction. Okay, you have to write it in the decimal form and read them aloud. Then here you make a table, that is here you write mixed fraction. Okay, now draw with pencil. Okay, and here you write decimal, writing in decimal form. And how you will read, that you will write here, that is reading. Okay, then this is your question. Write in a decimal form. Then how you will write? That is 3 point. Okay, 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10 means after decimal there is one digit, that is 9. Okay, and this we will read it as, that is 3.9. 3.9. Okay, now see the next one, the second one, that is 1:4 upon 10. Then this we will write it as 4 point. That is 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 means after decimal there is one digit. Okay, 4 upon 10. Here see here 12.2. Then here we will write it as 2 upon 10. Then this we will write as 1.4. And this we will read it as 1.4. Move to the next one, that is 5:3 upon 10. Then this we will write it as 5.3 upon 10 means 0.3. Okay, and this we will write it as 5.3. Clear? Now the next one, that is the fourth one. What is that? Okay, here it is given as a fraction. Then don't write here mixed fraction, only write here fraction. Okay, then if you will write fraction, then in that mixed will also come and the improper fraction will also come. Okay, then here 8 upon 10. Now 8 upon 10. Then if 8 upon 10 can be written as 0.8. 8 upon 10 can be written as 0.8. Then this we will read it as 0.8. Okay, because here is no number in this previous one, the mixed number. Then we have written here 5 and 3, but here is nothing is there when we put here 0. Okay, now the fifth one. Fifth one is 7 upon 10. Then 7 upon 10 can be written as 0.7. 0.7. Okay. Now move to the next practice set. Okay, in the next practice set, this is here 100th is given. 100th is means, just now I explain you, yeah, that is 19 upon 100. Okay, then this we will do similarly. Okay, now just go through this table. In this the fraction is given, that is 7:5 upon 10. Then in unit place, here tens place is missing. There nothing is on tens place. Okay, then this is blank. And unit place there is 7. And in the 10th place, this is 5 upon 10 means this is a 10th place. Okay, 10th place there is 5. And the 100th place, nothing is there. Then this is blank. Then this can be written as 7.5. Okay, now similarly see the next one, that is 7:5 upon 100. Then this is a unit place. 10th place is not there. Okay, the 100th place is there, that is 5. This is the 100th place. 5 upon 10 means the 100th place. Then in 10th place we will put 0, that is 7.05. Okay, and we will read it as 7.05. Okay, now just we will move to the next problem set. The first one, that is 9:1 upon 10. Okay, then again make a table like this. Yeah, and the same thing we will write here, that is fraction, writing in decimal form. And reading. Okay, now writing in a decimal form, 9:1/10 can be written as 9.1. Here we will read it as 9.1. Okay, now move to the next one, that is 9:1/100. Then this we will read it as 9 point. See here, 1/100 means after decimal you will write here 2 digit. Always remember, if you are writing 1/100, if 1/100 is given, then after decimal you have to put 2 digits, but here only 1 digit is given. Then what you will write, that is 01. We will write 01, not 10. Okay, and this we will read it as 9.01. Okay, now move to the third one, that is 4:53/100. Then this we will write as 4 point. Then there are 2 digits and 53/100. Then we can directly write 0.53. Sorry, 53. 0.53. Then this we will read it as 4.53. Okay. Now similarly see the fourth one, that is 78/100. Now 78/100 means here it is a 100th place. Okay, then what we will do, we will put 0 and after decimal we have to write 2 digits, and the 2 digits are given, that is 78. Then this we will read it as 0.78. Okay, now move to the next one. Okay, that is the fifth one. Fifth one is 5/100. Then 5/100. Again this is similar as this one. Okay, 9:1/100 means 9/100. Then 5/100. Then this here we will write as 0 point. There is 10th place is missing. 10th place is not there. Then in there we will put 0.5, and this we will read it as 0.05. Okay, now similarly the 6, 7, 8 are your homework. Okay, here with this these 2 practice sets are over.